Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the equation of a line passing through 2 points, okay? Now, again, just like my previous video on those, what you have to know is the point slope formula, okay? We start with y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1, which is the point slope formula. Well, in this case, you know you have x1, okay? y1 for the point, okay? You also have x2 and y2, okay? But you don't have the slope, right? You don't have m. Now, if you don't have m, you need to solve for it before you get to the equation. So let's solve for it. Let's see, because we know the formula for the slope. If we have 2 points, we can actually find the slope by doing y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and we have all of those values. So y2, which is positive 1, minus y1, which is negative 1, over x2, which is a 5 right here, 3, minus x1, which is 5, okay? So 1 plus 1 on top over 3 minus 5 is negative 2. So positive 2 over negative 2, this is negative 1, okay? So this is the slope. Now you have m, you have x1, y1, you can solve, you can get the equation. So we'll go back to the equation and substitute. So we have y minus y1, which is negative 1, equals to m, negative 1, times x minus x1, okay, times x minus x1, 5, okay? Now, one thing to know here is that I'm using this point. I could have used the other point. It would still give me the same answer, okay? So it doesn't matter which point you use, all right? But I'm using this one, okay? So it's again y minus y1, y minus negative 1, equals to m, which was the negative 1 we got here, times x minus x1, which was 5. Okay, so then we do the math, keep going here. Y plus 1 equals, we distribute here, we got negative 1 times x, which is negative x. Okay, negative 1 times negative 5, positive 5. Okay, then solving for y here, we'll subtract 1 from both sides, and we'll get y, cancel here. Y equals to negative x plus 4, because that's 5 minus 1. So negative x plus 4. This is the equation of the line and slope-intercept form. This is slope-intercept form, okay? Again, which is like y equals to mx plus b. This is the slope-intercept form. Now, again, if you want the standard form, and standard form, you would just need to transform this one right here, what you have here, and rewrite it. Rewrite it as ax plus by equals c. So you would just need to move the x over. And if you move it over, it becomes positive because you add x to both sides. So positive x plus y equals to positive 4. Now this would be standard form, depending on what you want from the answer. If they want you to give it in standard form, this is how you do it. And slope-intercept form, this is what you do. Because the standard form, again, just to remind you, is ax plus by equals to c, which is exactly what we have here. X terms, y terms equals to c, a constant, okay? So this is how you find the equation of a line passing through 2 points, okay? If you have 2 points, you can actually get the slope. So therefore, you just need to use the point slope formula. Always easy for you to get, just using the point slope formula, okay? This is pretty easy, very easy to do. Just make sure you know the point slope formula in order for you to find the equation of a line, all right? Thank you.